about having voluminous locks. And as you guys can see, I have what I would consider voluminous locks. Basically, my hair has a lot of volume to it. It is very big. Big hair, don't care. And it is, there's some pros and cons to having voluminous locks. So today I'm just going to talk about the main things to consider if your hair is growing in this pattern or if your hair is growing this big. Some of the things to expect while having voluminous locks. So number one is styling. From the simplest styles to the more complex styles, it's even harder to do when your hair is this big. Now, there are people that have bigger hair than me, but I'm just speaking from my experience, from how my hair is right now. So it's doing the simplest thing like a ponytail. It is extremely difficult for me. I can't just do it in one swoop like everyone else. My ponytail is more of like a 5-part series, and I'll try to demonstrate that for you guys. Let me show you how a ponytail gets done. Ponytail holder, right here. Let's try and see if I can do it the traditional ponytail way. Ready? Let's go. Alright, so we got this part up. See, it's hard for me to even, and now we got this part up. I still have a lot more to try and fit in there. Don't worry about my edges. Do not worry or comment about my edges. Leave them alone. They just need to be brushed and gelled down. Okay. So I'm getting there. Okay, let's see if I can get this back piece. So right now my hand cannot fit around it. Like when I hold this section falls off. When I hold over here, this part falls off, and there's still some more in the back to get. So let's see. And it's starting to hurt a little bit, but I can't hold the entire lock. So let's see if I can pull this over. Alright. Try to stuff it in there, but even when I'm trying to stuff it in there, I mess up the whole. Alright. It's not as tight as I would like it, but this is the best I can do with doing a ponytail. And now my arms are already tired and I'm out of breath. And if I was trying to do like a really neat ponytail, it would take even longer. Let me show you how I have learned over the years to do my ponytail where it doesn't cause so much of a hassle. Alright, first and foremost, can't use a regular ponytail holder. Too small, they break easily. I've learned to either use something like this, which is a knee-high stocking that I just stretched out, or these headbands. They come in handy. What I would do is I would buy them, but I would cut them actually, and then it will become like this. So either a stocking or knee-high, something like this. That's what I have learned to do my ponytails with. So I'm going to show you with the knee-high how I do it. This is the knee-high. Same process. Only difference is now I take this. Oh gosh, can you see? Dip my hair back. Tight, just a little bit, not too much, like that. And then I just roll it. And I roll. And I pull as I roll. So as I'm rolling, so this is a ponytail already, but if I want to make it tighter or higher, dip my head forward and just pull it up and pull. Higher ponytail. I can go even higher, or I can put it to one side. I just roll it to that side, pull, there you go. Now it's leaning to that side. So I just do it to however I want, and I just tie it. And that is how I achieve my ponytails. I can go higher if I want to, dip it to one side, dip to the other side, but that is how I have learned to do my ponytails over the years. because my hair is just too much to do it the conventional way. The next thing with styling is, I would suggest, if you're going to get dressed to go somewhere, you have to put on the top first if it's over your head top, and then style your hair. Because I've run into situations where I would style my hair in a cute bun or a cute updo or whatever, and then I would try to put my shirt on, and then because my hair is so much, I cannot fit my head through the opening of the shirt. So that causes a problem also, and then sometimes my hairstyle gets messed up. I have to do it all over again, or I have to spend more time fixing it at the end. So what I've just worked out doing is put on a shirt first and then style my hair. And if I need to, maybe put like a cover up or a robe over my shirt if I don't want to get my shirt dirty while I'm styling my hair. So that's another thing with having voluminous locks. Another part of styling again is, get ready if you're going to do intricate styles for your hands to possibly cramp up. And what I mean is, if I'm doing styles like if I'm doing a cane roll or cornrow, however you say it, or I'm basket weaving my hair, or a simple flat twist, my hands, if I'm doing a lot of it, after a while it gets tired and it starts to cramp up because I have to do so many. So just get ready for that. It's not a quick and done process. It can take much longer than having less voluminous locks, and it can start hurting your hand after a while. So styling does take longer in that sense. Another part is not necessarily styling, but sometimes I can't wear cute caps or cute hats because my hair is just too big. So then in turn my head is bigger. Or is my head really big? No, my head is not big, it's just the hair. But like for example, there was a point when fedoras were in, or little cute caps and little cute hats were in, especially if you had locks and you put that on, gorgeous, rocked it. And I couldn't because my hair was so big that no matter, the caps wouldn't fit, the hats wouldn't fit. I even went to, I think it was Forever 21, and I bought the largest size I could, and it fit a little bit, but with the slightest blowing of a wind or something, if I shook my head too much, it just fell off. So it was like I couldn't rock that style. So I'm sure maybe there are bigger hats out there somewhere in the world of hats, but did I want to spend the time really hunting it down? It wasn't that serious to me. But just prepare for that. Like, hats don't really fit my head. They just don't. It's just too much. And now that my hair is curlier, it's even bigger. And the thing is that now that my hair is getting longer, it has calmed down some bit. It has lost some of its voluminosity, I guess. When it was short, it was much bigger, more like an afro kind of, but with locks. But now that it's getting longer, it is calming down, especially at the top, still big at the bottom. But with the curls, it does add some volume to it. And the curls have fell a lot, so that takes away from the volume also. Also, back to the point of fitting caps, this is not necessarily an issue with voluminous locks. Maybe it's an issue with every lock, but shower caps don't fit at all. I do have shower caps that I do wear. They're specially made, not necessarily for my locks, but for locks in general, and I get them from, I believe the company is called Celestial Crowns. I will leave the information in the description bar, but she does make shower caps and satin sleeping caps for locks bigger sizes so that your entire hair can fit. So I do have to buy a special shower cap each time because regular shower caps will not fit all of this lusciousness. It just won't. Next thing is, with this much hair, you have to have a lot of patience because everything takes longer. From styling my hair takes longer, to when I wash my hair it takes longer, to drying my hair. So even though my hair is not that long, my hair does take a while to dry because it's so much densely packed. It takes a very long time to dry, and I try to not use blow dryers. I usually wash my hair in the morning and then throughout the day let it air dry. So it does take sometimes the entire day, maybe into the night, for my hair to dry. So it does take a while for it to dry. When I do interlock my hair, which is how I maintain my hair 95% of the time, I would say, or 96% of the time, doesn't matter. Most of the time, I interlock my hair. That takes forever. But I space it out. I don't do it all one shot. Because of how my hair is, I can go for months without interlocking, and it still looks wonderful, basically. So sometimes when I do decide to interlock my hair, I usually do it in a span of about 4 days, 3 to 4 days, where I'll put my hair in 4 sections and then maybe spend a few hours or so doing one section, and then the next day do the other section, the next day do the other section, next day do the other section. And each section was taking about a good 4 to 5 hours for each section. I usually do it at night, put in a movie or two, and do each section, and I get it done within a 4-day span or so. But being that I have so much hair, it just takes so much longer. Even when I did my pipe cleaners, that took me a very long time because there's so much locks on this head that it does take longer to do that. So just get ready for that also. Occasionally, I do palm roll my hair. For this year, 2015, I think I've palm rolled my hair maybe twice. I only do that when I need a quick fix if I'm going somewhere important like a wedding or an important event. I did not, I want my hair to look a little bit more, I don't want to say neat, but a little bit different, a little bit more tamed, and I did not have time to interlock. I will palm roll my hair. Very gentle. I do not twist too much, only because, you know, my locks are very small, but that also is a task in itself. That takes forever compared to someone who has bigger locks or less voluminous locks than I do. So just get ready for that. Whether you're palm rolling or interlocking, it will take longer when you have voluminous locks. And last but not least, get ready for what I call the big hair syndrome, big hair don't care. What that means is I get a lot of compliments, yes, but a lot of questions regarding whether my hair is real or not. And not necessarily because of the let, but because of the fullness of it. Most people think it's a wig, they think that it is braids or a kinky twist or something else, but being that it's so much, so voluminous, I do get a lot of questions all the time, whether it is real or not, whether I have extensions, whether I have pieces added to it. And no, it is all mine. I've always had a lot of hair since I was younger. So get ready for that. People will ask you, and I don't necessarily find it insulting because I don't understand everything about other hair textures or other hair types myself. So I just politely answer, yes, it is mine. There are some times when I will tell someone that it's all my hair and they still don't believe me, or they give me a very skeptical look. But hey, I don't care. I know it's mine, so whatever. But get ready for the big hair syndrome, where people are just going to be like, is that all of your hair? Because it is a lot of hair and it's densely packed. So that is all that I can tell you guys about voluminous locks right now. But all in all, I wouldn't have it any other way. I love my voluminous locks. I love it this way. I love big hair. I don't care. I know I say that a lot, but I love it. I don't care how long it takes for me to do my hair. It helps me to learn about my hair anyway. And I just learned to adapt over the years, knowing that I have big hair. I expect that as it continues to grow, like I said, it is going to get more flat. But right now, I'm just loving it. And no matter what I say about it, I love my big hair. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any comments, or if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to read the description bar to find out more information about me and to see more videos about me and how to connect with me and other social media networks. Thank you guys for watching, and continue to enjoy your journey, whether you have voluminous locks